Here are 15 best Portuguese movies on Netflix to learn Portuguese in 2024. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mills and I'm back with another video. If you're on the quest to learn Portuguese, immersing yourself in the language through movies is an effective way to enhance your language skills. Netflix offers a wide variety of excellent Portuguese content, allowing language learners to explore the vibrant culture of Brazil. Here are 15 best Portuguese movies on Netflix to learn Portuguese in 2024. 1. Amo Sem Medida, Just Short or Perfect. Just Short or Perfect is a Brazilian romantic movie that follows the journey of a young couple navigating love and self-discovery. This movie is just about a lawyer that falls in love with a friendly cardiologist, but she is tall and he is not. So, will she be able to prove that love has no size? You need to watch that. 2. Pai and Dobro. Pai and Dobro or Double Dad. In this Brazilian family movie called Double Dad, a young woman embarks on a journey to discover her father's identity. You need to watch this movie to find out. The language used in this film is accessible, making it ideal for beginners and intermediate learners. The storyline provides a cultural backdrop that enhances language learning. 3. As soon as das Rua de Sao Paulo pro mundo. So, Racionais MCs from the streets of Sao Paulo. If you're just interested in Brazilian culture, you need to add this one to your watch list. So Racionais MC is one of the most popular and influential rap groups in the country. So they have been an active voice against issues such as police brutality, prejudice, organized crime, and social exclusion. 4. Democracia and Vertigem, The Urge of Democracy. This documentary dives into political turmoil and upheavals in Brazil in the recent years. The film explores the rise and fall of political leaders, including President Luiz Lula da Silva and Dilma, as well as the impact of corruption scandals, protests, and polarization on Brazilian society. Next, The Secret Diary of an Exchange Student. While we can call it a cinematic masterpiece worthy of an Oscar, this Brazilian romantic comedy is a good option if you're looking for something light-hearted and entertaining. It mixes the Portuguese language with American culture and drama with humor. This film shows the adventures of two young Brazilian friends who travel to the United States together. They must navigate cultural differences and complicated relationships in their new lives in upstate New York. Number 6. Esposa de Aluga, Someone Borrowed. In this film, a bachelor named Luis is enjoying his single life when he gets a surprise from his mom. She only has 6 months to live and her dying wish is to find a wife. In order to appease her, Luis hires an actress to play fiancé. As with most schemes, it doesn't go exactly as planned. The movie has plenty of humorous moments as the fake couple struggles to maintain the facade and Luis' jealous sister starts spying on them. Number 7. Chato, O Rei Brazil. Chato, the King of Brazil. This film is based on the life of Assis, a prominent Brazilian media mogul and entrepreneur. The movie chronicles Chateaubriand's rise power in the media industry, his establishment of influential newspapers and television networks, and his impact on Brazilian politics and culture during the mid-20th century. Chato offers a portrayal of a complex and influential figure in the Brazilian history, showing his professional success and personal challenges. The film combines the element of drama and real-life events to provide a cinematic depiction of Chateaubriand's life and legacy. Number 8. Ricos de Amor, Rich in Love. The Brazilian romantic comedy tells the story of Teto, a wealthy young man from a sugarcane family who falls in love with Paula, a charming and humble woman. Teto hides his wealth, pretending to be poor in order to win her heart. However, when the truth is revealed, their relationship faces challenges. Rich in Love explores themes of love, class differences, and importance of honesty in relationships. all set against the beautiful backdrop of Brazil's northeastern countryside. Number 9, Cabras da Peste. This Brazilian film follows the story of two police officers, Diana and Claudio, who are tasked with transporting a prize gold to a royal community. However, their journey takes an unexpected turn as they face various challenges and comical situations. Yet the Good combines humor and adventure as it explores the unlikely bond between the officers and their misadventures during the gold transport. It's a great option if you're looking for something light-hearted and entertaining. Number 10, Cidade de Deus, 10 anos depois, City of God, 10 years later. This documentary revisits the real-life subjects of the acclaimed 2002 Brazilian crime drama City of God. The film features interviews and updates with some of the individuals who inspired the original film, shedding light on their lives, experiences of the impact of City of God on their community. It provides insight in the lasting effect of poverty, violence, and crime in the favelas of Rio, and offers a deep understanding of social issues portrayed in the original movie. Number 11, Depois do Universo, Beyond the Universe. This film follows the journey of Nina, a gifted pianist battling lupus. While awaiting a kidney transplant, she forms an unexpected strong connection with one of the doctors on her care team named Gabriel. Through his support and encouragement, Nina gains the confidence to perform alongside a major orchestra in Sao Paulo. While some might find this movie a bit chessy, others will enjoy its dramatic storyline and music theme. Number 12, Pelé. If you're a soccer fan, this one is a must-watch. The documentary explores the life and career of the legendary Brazilian soccer player Pelé. Offers an ultimate and comprehensive look at Pelé's journey from his humble beginnings in Brazil to becoming one of the greatest footballers in history. The film features interviews with Pelé himself, as well as archival footage and interviews with those who have known and admired him throughout his remarkable career. Pelé is a tribute to the football icon and his enduring impact on sports and the world. Number 13, Sete Prisioneiros, 7 Prisoners. This movie tells the story of Matheus, a young man from the countryside of Brazil who takes a job at the junkyard in Sao Paulo, only to discover that the job involves exploitative and illegal practices. The film dives into the theme of human trafficking, forced labor, and the harsh reality many vulnerable individuals face in the search of employment. 7 Prisoners offers a gripping and socially relevant narrative that sheds light on the plight of marginalized workers caught in the cycle of exploitation and abuse. Number 14, A Última Floresta, The Last Forest. The Brazilian documentary explores the Amazon forest, focusing on the indigenous, the Yanomami people who inhabit this remote and threatened environment. The documentary sheds light on their traditional way of life, the challenges they face due to deforestation, and their efforts to protect their land culture. 15, Get the Gift. Get the Gift is a Brazilian movie that revolves around the quest of an conventional Christmas present. The movie features accessible language, making it suitable for both beginners and intermediate levels. For those looking to discover even more Portuguese movies with a holiday theme and straightforward language, Get the Gift provides an entertaining options for language practice. That is it. Watching movies with subtitles is also one of the most effective ways of learning Portuguese, be it a beginner, an intermediate, or any level at which you are in Portuguese. If you find this video interesting, make sure you leave a thumbs up, like, share, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do so, and you click on the bell notification so that you get updated every time I upload a new video. In that same light, ciao!